Okay, how to graph using GeoGebra. So first, you have to download application or GeoGebra application in Google Play Store or in Vivo App Store. In my case, I'm using the Vivo App Store because I'm using a Vivo phone. So after downloading, you install. Then after installing, you can now open or you're good to go on using your GeoGebra application. The GeoGebra application has a 3D application and 2D application. So we can now make use. I readily open the GeoGebra application so that we can use. Uh, you can open your GeoGebra if you have your GeoGebra application already. Then just input. Let's say you have y. The equation that you're going to graph is y is equal to 2x plus 2 or plus 1. Let's say plus 1. So your graph look like that one. Oh, let's change the color to green. Okay, that's the graph. Okay, how about if we wanted to make it a dotted line? We would just press the line, then press this. You have to press this one. Then choose this one. Okay, choose this. Okay, that's it. It becomes a dotted line already. Okay, how about if we have, let's say we have a trigonometric function, this one. Okay, if we wanted to make this a dotted line also, just press it. Let's say table values. Go to the table values. Okay. Can we change the? We're gonna change. Okay, about this one. Okay. Okay, that's it. Okay, how about the sine function? Can I make changes with the sine? We cannot make changes. But maybe, yeah, this one. We're going to touch the settings, degree, the access to graphics, the general, living for font size, the language admin. How about graphics? Okay, distance label, show the x and the y axis. It doesn't have a color. Distance, okay. Zoom. How about the distance and the length? This is one. The axis is also one. So this is how we make use of GeoGebra in graphing.